got a problem with your plumbing or HVAC system, you're probably looking at a few hours of discomfort on a cold winter evening. When there's a problem with your electrical system, homes can burn down. People can get electrocuted. Not only is your HVAC system down, but your condenser might be fried altogether. There are real dangers lurking in an unmaintained electrical system. Fire hazards, electrocution risks. But let's be honest, most homeowners don't lose sleep over it. That's their choice. But here's what definitely gets their attention. A failing electrical system is quietly slaughtering the lifespan of every appliance they own. Think about it. Your vacuum barely made it past 2 years. Your HVAC system is dying at 12 years instead of 20 plus years. And your washer, dryer, water heater, microwave, and TVs are all meeting an early grave. Ever wonder why? If you haven't retensioned your lugs and breakers in the last 10 years, what exactly did you expect? The silent killers in your electrical panel include a host of other items. Loose lugs and breakers. All right, so over time, electrical connections loosen due to heat expansion and contraction, causing resistance, excess heat, and voltage drops that stress your appliances like a failing offensive line protects a quarterback. Corroded bus bars. So your panel's bus bar is accumulating corrosion thanks to unsealed penetrations, turning your system into electrical money pit, essentially. Voltage variances from your power company. Inconsistent power supply from your transformer is running through your system like an unchecked defensive blitz, slowly shortening the life of everything plugged in until it gets tested and fixed, which is probably the next time an electrician shows up at your house. At this rate, your home appliances are dropping faster than the Cowboys in the playoffs. And if that wasn't bad enough, you're also leaking money every month on your energy bill. So what's this membership all about? We designed this membership program to eliminate 90% of electrical problems before they even start, and also save you thousands on appliance replacements and repairs. So what does the membership accomplish? First, yearly panel tune-up. Every year, we retension the terminals on your breakers, reapplying antioxidant on your lugs, cross-examining the voltage variance on your main lugs against your neutral bars, checking the voltage readings on all your breakers, cleaning out the panel, reseal penetrations, and a lot more. This is how we can add years onto the lifespan of your home appliances and really prevent about 80% of the electrical problems in your home just right here. Next is a full safety inspection. So we inspect your incoming feeders and meter base, grounding system, inspect your bus bar, and can quickly really diagnose symptoms like flickering lights and tripping breakers from here. $0 dispatch to the home. So our members, if they ever have an issue that they're concerned about, we waive that dispatching hold to come out to their property. We also give an 8% discount on work with a limit up to $500. Do you need repairs, or are you upgrading something, making a renovation in the home? Members get an instant discount on every job that we do with them. We recently read that the average American home only has an electrician visit once every 7 years. And guess what? It's usually when something's going horribly wrong. We get the middle of the night calls all the time, and trust us, we hate them too, as much as you hate giving them, especially when we could have prevented them in the first place. We don't make money running memberships. We stay in business by installing new work. The reason we do it is because it gives us the chance to keep your family safe and also win your lifetime business. I mean, if we truly know your home, earn your trust, we can handle the small things, prevent a lot of those big things. We know you're going to call us when it's time for the big things when you're ready to install those as well. So if you're ready to protect your appliances, your home, and frankly, your wallet, give us a shout. We would love the opportunity to earn the right to become your family electrician.